In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps on Apple Watch 7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Apple Watch series you have, including Series 7, you will be able to open Google Maps and use all sorts of features, including Map View. So if you try to download Google Maps from the official App Store natively, usually features like Map View will be hidden. So what you have to do is trick the Apple Watch into opening a web browser in the Google Maps website. The most straightforward way to do this is by sending someone a message that contains the Google Maps link, maps.google.com, which is the official website. So I recommend going over to your iPhone, opening your contacts, or a group chat, or even yourself, and send them a message containing maps.google.com. So type out the exact URL to access Google Maps. Now, once you have the message sent through your iPhone, you can open it up on the Apple Watch, and the link will be recognized as a web page. So what you will see is this, the Safari icon. Now, because it is a link, it will recognize if you tap this message or this link, and it is going to open it up on a web browser directly built into the Apple Watch. So now you can navigate using Map View. You can use the search function and all sorts of things. So it is essentially Google Maps on a website, but it is going to be running on your Apple Watch. So essentially we are bypassing the limitations of the Google Maps app that is natively available. You can use the search functions, you can browse through the map view with GPS, get directions, and it is super intuitive to use. So I hope I was able to help you on using Google Maps. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.